Go when you want. Go when you want.
Let's get started. Hello everyone, this is Cece and today we're going to do something special. We're going to travel to Malaysia. Okay, just kidding, maybe not. I do want to travel to Malaysia though, but we're going to do the next best thing, which is we're going to cook one of the most quintessential dishes of Malaysia, which is Hainanese chicken. Here is Chef Steve from Malaysia Kitchen.
Hello.
What are the ingredients of the package?
Okay, first of all, 3 to 4 pounds
Garlic,
garlic,
onion ring, panda leaf, sauce for Hainan chicken for later, roasted ginger, salt and sugar, sliced cucumber, so cilantro. Basically, we're inside the kitchen and Chef Steven, he's right here, but if he trusts me a lot more now, he put this whole chicken inside a pot. But if you do this at home, you can just boil it for 45 minutes. Waiting for the timer, after 45 minutes, we're gonna take out the boiled chicken. Now it's time. And Chef Steven, he said that this is the most important part. So we put it in ice water for about 30 minutes. About 3 cups of just the rice in rice cooker. And now we're gonna add the chicken stock. 4 cups of chicken stock inside. Salt for chicken. 2. 1 tablespoon of sugar. A 1/4 cup of oil. A 1/4 cup of melted butter. Half cup of minced onion. 1/4 cup of minced ginger. Half cup of minced garlic. And then now it's gonna stir everything for
about 30 minutes.
about 30 minutes. I'll see you in a little bit. So after 45 minutes, we're out again and Chef Steve is gonna chop up the chicken. How do we do that?
Okay. The chicken right now, okay? Garlic oil. I'll let you to do the next one.
Next one. A special sauce?
How special sauce?
You can't tell. I know what's in there. There's sesame oil and soy sauce.
I add a little bit sesame oil.
And you just put it on the top,
Yes,
right?
just put it on top, yes.
Now this is the best part. The eating part, of course. So here is the Hainan chicken that we cooked earlier, and here is the Hainan chicken rice. Let me try how it tastes like. This tastes like home. It's so good. The chicken skin is really smooth and it has many dimensions of flavor of ginger, of garlic, and let me try out the rice. Oh, this is so good. Actually, the rice is the best part. Sorry. It absorbs all the sauce, the stock of chicken. The rice is so good. Okay guys, so if you want this recipe, comment it below, check out the box below, and check out my article for the epic finds. Subscribe to my channel, like,